Alright, another day, another sparkle in our eyes. Hi everyone, this is Finnegan again. Today we are looking at something completely different. And we are looking at the total market cap for cryptocurrencies excluding BTC. Excluding BTC. Alright, so we are looking at the total market cap of altcoins. Now, let's have a look what is happening. Remember, this is one of our videos where we want to capture everything in 5 to 10 minutes, nothing more. And we ask you these 3 questions. What does it mean? What is the impact and how do you profit from it? We show it to you and you go find the answers. Ask yourself, what does it mean? How to profit from it. Alright, as we always do, we say look at your right to understand what's happening on your left, and look at your left to conclude on where we are going in the future. And right now, there is a formation that is taking place. We are looking at the weekly. If you open up the weekly, you can already see right here that from this candle right here on the 6th of January, the ALTS have been going up. It is so clear, you don't need to be an expert to know this. You can see the coins are going up. Can you see that? If you turn the same thing relative to your left, you can see we've been going down. This is the highest candle right here. We've been dropping. If you turn it around to the next. This is the easiest way to understand what is happening in the market. We are going up. We have 3, 4 engulfing candles as well here. Almost like yesterday's video. Okay, let's take that away. Let's remove that first. Let's take that away. Okay. Alright, now let's continue. If we look towards our left, in this case, if we put our cursor here, we see that the ALTS have broken the 112 billion mark. Okay, this candle here took away the 100 billion mark. And this one here, remember, we cover the bodies, not the wedges. If you look to your left, you can see 1, 2, 3 candles that have been nullified that were acting as resistance, and now they are definitely support. Remember, what you pass on your left, which was resistance, becomes your support going forward. So the next target that needs to be nullified, it's clear as daylight, and that is 123 billion mark. Alright, so we show it to you and you go find the answers. How can you profit from it? Luckily for this video as well, it will be included on the training on the 29th of February. This will be discussed into details and you will find your answers as to how best to profit from it. But what I want to bring to your attention, particularly on the altcoins, what is important, maybe we should change this to the daily. What I wanted to do, as I've already taught you on the previous videos, I wanted to look at where your 200 EMA is at. Can you spot it? Because I can spot it. If you can't spot it, then you should be part of the training, because you should be in a position to spot it by now. And when we bring down our daily and we bring it closer, we are able to see that if you were to stand here, let's draw this so you can see it. You can already see from this candle right here. If you were to draw a line here, look at what the volume is doing. Can you see that? Can you recognize that? Part of our previous training, you should be able to recognize that. Let's take that one away. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, this thing is just playing tricks with me. It's fine. I'll take it away later. Guys, what is important to note is that there is an uptrend on the ALTS that is taking place. We had few breaks here, like this red candle right here that was on the 31st of January. But if you look closely on all the daily candles have been red until right here on the 10th of February. Now, what does that mean? If you're not part of the group, the private group, you should come to our training on the 29th so you can learn how best to make this profitable for you. And remember, we are wiser now. We never buy at the top. We always buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Remember that and recognize that. For now, we say thank you and bye. The Cryptopreneur Coach is leaving the house. Ask yourself this. What does it mean? What is the impact on the price? How to profit from it? The 3 questions we are asking on our short videos. Let's meet on the private group. Let's meet on the training on the 29th of February. See you soon, guys. Love you all. Funeka Nxitho here. Bye-bye.